Here are the headphones. Just got them. Got these from GameStop, and you know the packaging looks like it's in pretty good shape. Little dings, but nothing too crazy. It feels a little loose, like it might have been opened before, but we shall see. Inside. That's kind of nice. That's kind of nice. Everything about this is a nice customization of Starfield stuff. That's just nice little perks. Looks pretty cool. For all into Starfield. Oh, I'm going in deep. And back to the start of the show. All right. Man, the color scheme is dope. Love the gold trim or accents or whatever. You got the clear mic, which has protection on it. I guess I need to yank off. Anyway, be wearing those when I stream. Looks pretty nice. Saw a lot of reviews. Some of them saying the mic isn't the hottest. I'll probably be getting a mic anyway for recording or whatever. I'm sure it'll be fine for just gaming. And yeah, that's it for now.